Non-stop music.
Samuel no crampa. I was seeing you couldn't again. Shebria, I want to have Simanum. I was Giffy, peace on 4.3. And the first Sunday of the month, April. As of Waba, reading come on. Apostle of Quajiman. I will come and say her. 7 days, Sabbath Church of Christ. How was she? Anya. Ono she anya mi asam choni pa sakre ni pa ebre mo dey na sakre wadwen hweye efe wiasi si di echira ne pa kasa dudu o wiasi a nyami kura wo suru ni pa nyami otwe na wo suru ni pa o yesu ko eba ye okoye o mayo tun bo asidi tin baby hweye o samba besa chinekunu panye asamya no krama mi tina koso for ho amna kwaba asenya kopon yana asamya no kra yedie baby ya ode hin ho asamya no kwari mami Tim Kadamre, Modia, Sina Humbako, Name come on, come on more de Babron Cassa, Babron Tiafo, in the Impabaka, Cobianco, and Kaviasi, the channel. Yes, I am here, no idea. Cheers of way. I'm gonna quabber. As of all, Aquaba. Yeah, and a prayer to say, oh, body and I do. I shall be a way. Oh, I cannot do be a way. Sabat to form Chubia. Timakan says shalom, shalom. Yahweh, shalom. Amen. Yeah, as of all, I am come. Whatever my dear Benoco as in front of Wendy Cancer, a Montpena, and had a number catching. Yo, medical, Mamma, a year, me pastor Patrick Yiji, a bompire my engineer.
And the map for Yada was Siana pay. 2 million holding a jabo maho buying. See a original now swan a don't be ordered domain. The JT for Shonsa or Sanke near dear Sempa Ebanso Shonsa. Metifu eti emfa asemi munyo odom enya yade mu ahoden na si wie na ewie paya aseda aye wodia meda was anapeso eti empire udinmunti amen
amen yeah pastor Yeji Nyankopon Shiraw onyo kese pa asofo nkomo ho nkomo ho ne se ayi matena se adwen ho ensemi ha me damre ya meche se afiwe emodin afiwe ya afibia ya nhweyi ebe hadwen na ebe hadwen na Nyankopon de sabi otene baabi se bewie enonim na yene yankan se ya nhwe ye ho su yi a yene ebe pento kwama ye ho ode ye paman ode obia paman no obia pa bia wonye upa som umpa jai na afiwe se me kan ya bato afi said the politicians for yesi kasa no kurum ha omo kasa papa ene sabi tuminti akwara mupani obia mu obia kurum ha ase koyi panin bia nhede nimisa obia kana sam emra nim obia ye bono kra no aheda bodam star bi no ne nemu na ye kɔ obi to nyuma se heda bodam obi di bono kra na kyese no anasa na ayi se da me kan ye kasa dudu nimpa takrama enoa no di hira enoa se no de dome na se de ye kan ya nhwe yi a enem nimpa takrama so ensem besi kurum hanye na nimpa takrama na nkase ho no ano dem pa na Yakopon boss ye mfa maye me ma adwene no
yeah
say ye friend kasa ye friend didi ye friend yetem ye friend shira edme be mpa na side no also ye
okay engineer
go ye hwe ye de besi gro manyu eno na me ti hwa na no atawu de esi he na di jatu eya na ye hye odwene ho na kese obi akanti
super engineer topic here topic ebeboa na techeme akofe asempa o
asam de ye
yo medical me chia piece tiefo echie di o koma me so panyi apostle Ephraim Kwaku danso chia chima samankasefo nyina engineer topic here topic bi emudo techeme wasma akofa bei hwe engineer de techeme eye tie nipa no techeme obi wa ne techama into onko heaven
wo hwe se do kan aman bebre so a ntokwa asisi nyina ye obi kasa kan
oh yeah
keke
yeah yo nyine ya ma babo no ena ne ho adi
yo
bere de bia me kasa ye ma babo na nkasa na babo ne pensem asem no yi enyine ya ma yanka Proverbs chapter 1 verse 2 na ya de bi wo
Proverbs chapter 1 verse number 2. Was one for asem ehunu nyansa.
Etiefo onyankopon se asem ya te nyini akofa bai. Ye cheche na obi a wotie bia no ebe hunu nyansa.
Ene nkyerɛkyerɛ.
Eye nkyerɛkyerɛ ebe ma otimi ahwe ho so yie.
Wɔn fa huhunu mu nsɛm mu.
Eye nkyerɛkyerɛ ebe tuma mu wanya nyame hunu mu.
Wɔn fa nyinim dia nkyerɛkyerɛ.
Eye nkyerɛkyerɛ ma nipa nim dia kwakyerɛ.
Trene ante atemmu.
Ebe tuma mu awie trene ye.
Ene ade entene.
Esan be mu hunu ade papa na de bɔne.
Wɔn fa nkyerɛ tete kwa enditiɛ.
Ene nsɛm ye be cheche mi ene be man tete kwa ahunu de anitie.
Abranteɛ si nimdeɛ.
Ama abranteɛ so nya nimdeɛ ti na hunu kasa so ka.
Ene adwerempa.
Na abranteɛ so nya dan kasa pa.
Ojo nyansafo ntie.
Edu nyansafo a wutie mi pacho tia no pai.
Na ne nimdeɛ nɔɔso.
Na wonimdeɛ a wanya no Bible say nɔɔso.
Onimdifo nso.
Onimdifo so awuso onimdifo so hwata kyerema ye.
Na fa nya atempa.
Na fti mi fa nya atempa.
Wɔn hunu mebusam yi.
Onyago pasa asam ya beka asam yi hunu mu ye.
Na nya mebusam.
Na enya mebusam kwa.
Na nya ema enyansafo.
Ebe ma obi onim nyansa hunu se nya so betuna na ma.
Ne kudem.
Nyame asam ni. Oh engineer yakɔ aye James chapter 3. James chapter 3 verse 1.
James chapter 3 verse number 1. Was okasa mu ahosohwe.
Oso okasa mu dan ahosohwe.
Minianum
amutie ni.
Munya kyerɛkyerɛfo bebre.
Onyago ponsa ade ba ko betimi aha nipa kese panse nipa ba ya kyerɛkyerɛfo. Enye se nkyerɛkyerɛ. Na momo paso kyeso obi oye ne hu minya me de we meka mi hu na meka we meka no. Sa nipa kono ba bo se hwani ye.
Na munim se benya afobo kase mom.
O kasa dodo anu benya kasa eden afobo.
Verse number 2.
Edi pacha we anu anko di package o.
Dabia.
Anu anko nya afobo o kasa mo.
Yes.
Uwa unko na beko. Unko na bebu akunta.
Ampa.
Edi so jo kasa ye.
Yes.
Mo nya afobo. Obetimi akasa. Obenya mo nyam wo party anim. Obetimi akasa. Obenya mo nyam awo waduma awom. Mo nyam wo aduma panyanim. Na so nya ko panim de wadi fa. Ebi so wadi twa. One can crack.
Yena fum no mapimu.
I no credit from one mapimu.
So be fum asem
no be one from assembly.
Oh no nipa wie paye.
Oh no nipa wie paye.
Ah betimi to nipa dua nya na reka.
Na betimi ato nipa dua nya na reka.
Adiso.
No atimi di nyame ahyade so feeling kan ma nipa dua no.
Hwe babu. Ya de na reka eto oponga no.
Oponko. Na dia o tran so a. Utimi di ko ba bia pare se ya de na reka na nya so hu se ba kida fama ko bere.
Se wontie yen.
Se ontie nipa.
Ya dandan na bua mu ne nya.
Betimi atane ponko abo nyina mu.
Hwe esen so. Se de so se.
Se dia kraka. Ni to krata bi won ma ni tire 22.
Oh yes.
As see dia ni kiti bi. Aka wo hwe ni tire. Akese ni sie be se fia kokko na wo.
Nanso enframa mu ya de na pia no.
So kraka ni tire be 22 no. Sie ketua bi na control no.
Wade kodua ketua bi na dandan esen.
Sie ketua bi. Ubaya kro. Na tabun ketua bi.
Ene ade dandan no.
Ene dandan kro no.
E kyerɛ ne ba bia ye pese akɔ.
Se ba bi bia na pese akɔ.
Saa na takyerɛma nso. Ɛyɛ hunam akwa ketewa.
Ɔyɛ hunam akwa kete. Nanso.
Ɔhoahoa ne ho.
Ɔyɛ tuno.
Ɛwɔ ade akɛse ho. Ɔgya ketewa nso.
Ati se ja.
Kwaye kɛse obetumi asɔ.
Kwaye kɛse obetumi asɔ ahye kwaye. Takyerɛma suba no. Yeah. Engineer. Hwɛ ɛtɛfo. Takyerɛma obi a utie mi pacho obi a wonu ma no ayo takyerɛma. Hwɛ fa hwɛ na hwɛ. Kalabe. Kalabe. Kokɔ. Ade na kokɔ. Bebe choni ente kokɔ. Nyankopɔ be chose ne takyerɛma ni suba de ɛteɛ. Bra hwɛ takyerɛma ye. Takyerɛma nto obi kɔje. Testament will be upon them and your fresh. The Bible tell me. And I started that time. Yes. What to be so? What could the animal to be so? Testament. Testament Crobiapa. Testament Crobia day. What did he say, Jack? The crib matches back up. Pass. Not quiet, Timothy. Easy. Kababunum vestments kababunum techrama yo cha what techrama heading ocha eti na ka ni kola heading papa no ndina ko podi techrama betu ni panu no enseme ni ko poka fa techrama no kababunum techrama wiase bi wo yakwa mu a wo akasa wo nam wo nankasa no techrama no ye wiase wo so no no abeda ni padua no eye de entene eti Bible say should be word of your tongue shall techrama ye shall we techrama ye my brother we are Christiani we are chidini who so we are papa and I will touch some and Sambia so for to be an kasa and me even to cry fetch will be a new
1 minute
touch them yo and not true someone come chip back the men now touch them and no be one much as our yo on Kanokre
Debbie
the touch them
yeah
was a Janet the one. Eti na ko podi techama de batu me che hwe woni padua techama na da wanu no na ko pose ye ja oyi free jedi mu apana se kai me de tu ni padua ma adike kai ba ke ni padua ti de ma ni se me de batu ni panu me de batu ni panu ma ansna de batu ni panu no me de nsuo beta ho odi nsuo beta ye ja no ho
nkura
ti da wanu da bia nsuo mpam
nkura
tasuo e ta ye ja no na edum se en control no techama ni beda e ja no mu a anyo
baby
techament ni anyo yango pohwe di no se no and say na tedia mama ni 32 pillars no man say top and down 32 pillars 16 top 16 down 16
agadi ni
so on guide techament yan kwase ade a waka oh na techament yase akwapam ese se me kokeka nsam bi a ade keka beba me sawe han wan kame me so apam me no kwane say sa won so renam na sanam ke council mu a meyi mu ama ti techrema ene ase akwapam ama na ase ti mi ja techrema ama ne kansam bia opa na se so kware nam na se enam kan simu a na techrema last time no yi ma no ti kanya go pod si we be gade techrema se techrema ko din kwankwansa techrema ko kasem enfra na si aka se kaw na sam no wakasonya what take away this aje me ko kan nyanti na techrema ya dai wakami
esiaje bribe
ensuo tai di pan ma sa do techrema ntinya control techrema enti yango pon di one ya ma wo kra techrema ni sa wo ana short techrema ye no hwedi ani ka ba bra ha ane wo di party achi eko twantro di ani mo koka okoka sama di problem baba shababu mu di ma babu ne gasa
what eja di antene
techrema ya di anya dai
antene
oyiwa
eden kekai ke de pedua nyina
enyini a o se de kekai den
ekika ni pedua
and na misi obi akoka sama to obi so am ya boni dua say na fu na ahyenye fu su na ka asemi
baby techrema na kai
obi su tibi kwa kasem bi kire obi ko di obi atam ni akuru tutu wo na techrema no ono kwa kasem no akopa ba bi ku no te ho
na so ne
huna amane
eso nkwanchim ye ta na hu fi awom
nkwanchim ye fi awom and started to do some money
ye fra man hu krom no waso am
one kata techrema de wonum techrema ni fi amane hu krom ejam na free buy
verse 7
kababunum
entotebone takramoa
wasi totebone takramoa
emu awia ene emu awapu musu nyina
obo so abo ni won oni pada sani
odi ne techrema na jojo won
ajojo won kofie bi na kama bi so oso no wa ye fa ni Chisco o da fionum o wudu anu atati wo na so wi obi a wo sraja beti bi techrema jojo
techrema no
but na was start here dai obo ni dia was ye timi ni techrema jojo emwa
verse 8 no na techrema dia
so techrema kanu
odi pa bi etimi jojo no
untimi control enti control the party ni so musu o twantro o so musu o di atamu a nya do party timi control no
debi
enkanasam
Kristo ni simenya eye ba wi ene obi kunu anajo adapa odi atam didi odi anope wo kwa sori ko kababu ni me
what was what say eya de pone ara
techrema ya de pone pa
eya branfo
eya kronfo
would try and man
would try touch a mama and you did with them. Mammy, I would tell me, Papa would tell me, Castle Papa, what's your would draw touch a man so? What be our with the man or not as a Cassanema? What do you want to see the man? What can see the man? Be back now with now the Tiamino. Yeah. And then now with the Tiamino. What you bread? And now we're banana cats in the bread. And I was so bread.
Yes.
Onye bini.
Don't come up now. Okay, Babuna, can't touch what I see. No, quotation, show man. You come to Sabi, let's one.
What's it and money edition?
What's it and one edition?
Everybody and go on.
Matthew 7:1. Who you want to
Matthew chapter 7 verse 1. What's it more 10 will be my time? Now 10 come and one at the Babu. I dear with the best sword. Hey, Babu, what's it your best swamaniano? And one at the best swamamo. So crew and one at the best swamamo. Dangerous. Oh, I want to know starting body. Want to know starting body. Look at it. Wababodia, me catch your plane. Wakasano, Wakas was set to trap. Actually, inside the Kuna Ujasu Bodiano, as I have Fidema Wankasa. That be the same thing. If you didn't know,
oh, yes,
Obian Castle, Obian Modia, Diabon, what who the other. Yeah, what woman other? Timo Pediabono, Jobet Wakano, and one Kobi. And as some fear, into some engineer, made the asset be tuta. Before come with moi. Before be a before pa or your hunter no your professional hunter. Yeah. Our name high your year pan or come with moi on fitting to talk by heart. Debbie to toot your rough. Na so nani no agene ho as no tutu. Before teacher on tutu say what teacher into your train. Obebo modia hwe etie ahwe se obehu se ayotwe ase obetutu awato okore and the Bible say as a Christian as a believer bia no wana motu awutuo no number 1 watch, yes, listen, choose before you act. The answer never can be no tiamu ye okore hwehwam na pensem asa be bia wano ka bia ayedai waka. Yes, I would think see now Kabi. Yes. Say, oh, can I my brother, my dear sister, and one cat say, I'm sorry.
What can we?
And oh, boy, when you're football,
yeah,
when you're football, Babu and Casa Yanko. Babu and Casa, twice and see. I'm a Corona James now. What was it? And one day this year, ready, Uncle Pong. Touch them, a corner did this year, ready, Uncle Pong. And no, they didn't know they pay, you know, Uncle Pong. Yes, I did. A Dumipa. Our young Uncle Posomaso. Minianum. And this is where Bassa. What takes some tobacco? I can't wait. And send Uncle Pot not to me. Come out with young Corinthians. I have Proverbs chapter 18, 21. Proverbs chapter 18, verses number 21.
Proverbs chapter 18, verse number 21.
What's the name?
I don't forget Uncle Possum. What's now?
Oh,
any our touch a man some. Touch a man some.
Our touch a man some.
No be autonomous.
No be autonomous. Obetinaba. And one time what about so?
Look at him.
Or touch Rama. From we, yes, one time about day. I know Christonita saw them and then on Canocre. There be me. Also for be on Canocre. I saw the penny be on Canocre. Police nibi on Canocre. Soldier nibi on Canocre. Watchman be on Canocre. Be patch presenter be on Canocre. Also for be on Canocre. Minister be on Canocre. I try you pass a patcha. Get to a memoir. Catch them when you didn't try. Catch them when you didn't come. Yeah, can I say Udon in the Abedinaba? Yes, you must have been Proverbs, young Matthew chapter 12, verse 36. Matthew 12, 36. Matthew chapter 12, verse number 36. What's it? Namisim say, Asem who be on the Pabacano. Bible says, Asem who be on the Pabacano. Who want to Miss Who will party best you, Nami, Kai, Miss Obechi, no by why can you? Why can some of you? Oh, you woman again. Why can you put your bomb? Ah, Missy. Who did you say? What's one Samson? What's one Samson? I know I'm super boop him. Now one Samson. I know I'm super boop for. To walk out him. What kind of crack? Cacao trim. And yes, I'm Cacao out with him. What that's only Capapa. What kind of crack? and no believe one party chain. Bible.
Just on one said you can no cry. Said by your benya posunti.
Ow, or benya party anymore, party anymore, yam. But tell you to come to some mine of Castle Family. Come here more, well, can't send him. Seven of work, Cramuyan, Minister, make me first in Crawford. Kick up your champa. Me jamming, Kwame, me jamming also. Yamiko Kenny. Bible say, one Samson.
I know number book.
Now one Samson. I know number book. One Sam also. Yami Proverbs chapter 21, verse 23.
Proverbs chapter 21,
verse 23.
Verse 23. What's it? Odipa Okranano.
Odipa Okranano ye.
And in a touch of man.
Not really touch our year.
Okrane
Clef. Yes.
And
to touch man was Janis and Okran out here too. Oh, woman. Yes. Who were by a time? Who were by a time? Yami said, Proverbs chapter. I said, a friend saying, Ephesians chapter 4, verse 29. Ephesians 4, verse number 29.
Ephesians chapter 4, verse 29. What's it? Mama asama enfrebila enfrimanu.
Busi ya masembia enfranya dai.
Enfrimanu.
Enfriyanuma.
Nemo.
Tama osnemo dai.
Asama eye.
Asama dai.
Eye. Ne man koso. Ne hia.
Ne hia na.
Ene ne enfrimanu mumra.
Ne enfrimanu mumra. Asama hia na man koso. Etu waje o kebe gwa Ghana. Asama nya be did. Me kai 2012. Verdict. Yabewe Supreme Court. And the Crawford starting on money say. Now we should Nadanu justice. Atuguba. Osala Ghana.
Papa.
Now we should say that Atuguba put why Ghana say.
Hey.
Or started watching Crawford contempt.
And yes, okay.
And I would be the 2 years in Nanya patch the contempt.
Oh yes.
Nyanya chini babebre.
Be your one pe.
Nye chiba. Atuguba. Atubiga. Abanta no ding radio so. Ya pan ko jada kam. Ya besides I wouldn't have to talk in Casa Ghana by then. Friend what pajansa my lord. My name is Atubiga. A poor boy from Nanduri. And a professional painter. What you say, boy, I'm Malo. My name is Atubiga.
A poor boy
from Binduri. A poor boy from where? Binduri. And professional painter.
Techema Jijini. Dinako how?
If you are a poor boy from Binduri. Just what person just so free fall away.
Kurasi bi bra.
Of obehun mobo. And you cry said that your papa a painter professional. A poor boy from Binduri.
Techema Jijini.
Techema Jijini the coach now. A chinko for contempt.
Papa.
Now we go post from one nipa be contempt. Now go join am say I'm a poor boy from Binduri. You are down. Or see when it's watching.
Power smooker.
Then I begin to say I'm a poor boy from Binduri. Now, so you know, so you're poor boy. Now you can't sound as some. Now you can't sound some for no. You know, so we are a professional painter.
Could you down, you know.
Praise the Lord.
Amen.
That's a miracle. What you say? Take some money and can ye. We'll be Piana Ghana Bashi. Ah, now get to Ghana Bashi. My brother.
You must say, would ya?
As who came wow, man.
Debbie.
As who can.
Nanya's your Hennessa.
Be a Chanisa.
Kakosa.
And then you can
the medical cancer as a penny be a sabi penny be and cream. And Brennan.
I'm paying for you to Casatua. No cranium anymore. As a no batino. No penny panel, Nymphia, what you know I
So Jim.
Somewhere free. I call it man as a free penny.
I'm how.
Ow!
What if you know what ye sabi a man for morning show ya? No big car sembia. Said okay. Let me say me minimum penam ah. It didn't pay what is saying. In Pasaka me huno. The Mesha City. Sent in a private macaway. The bump over.
I know Yasako. He know Yasako. And you won't try. I didn't begin to pay any pen. I said, look at Ecclesiastes chapter 5 verses. Ecclesiastes 5 verses.
Or Saint-Cafour chapter 5 verse number 6.
I just walk no one. Quite.
What's it? I'm one of quite.
Can one
na ma hunam nya bɔne
na hunam nkwa bɔne o
enka obofo anim sɛ yɛmfo so
wan kwa kaji Nyankopɔn sɛ papa yɛmfo so Ghana deɛ saa na bra bɔne te wa nyɛ saa woni bi
sente saa dia onyankopɔn bubefu
ɔse ne bubefu
na wasɛw
na ɔbɛsɛw ne bubefu papa pɛtɛ nya wadi saa deɛ wɔ so akɔtɔ asɔre mu and now so for me bon crofo pa so me ma testimony force
deɛ nim
force
deɛ dansie
krumu amfa fo bia nya dan ani so ka je say ye di she Nyankopɔn mu nya hey sister bra adansi na akodi no Nyankopɔn na ye yem dada o Nyankopɔn watna na ye fan tron she nya ni mo nya
debi osun dada
nya tron na be presi Nyankopɔn
debi
watna ye yem dada osun dada
yes
bra ebo mi mbɔ pa Sadia ni dia ye di she Nyankopɔn dia ni monyam Nyankopɔn tiri fan tron ni monyam da yama Bible ne kasa yanko Peter 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 1 1 Peter 2:1
1 Peter chapter 2 verse number 1 adofo yentie Nyankopɔn asɛm
maunya
wose enti munyi bɔne pa nyinaa
ɔse yenyi dan
bɔne pa nyinaa ɛne na ada nyinaa
ɛne na ada ye ne da
tɛkyerɛma
yes
nyaatwomyɛ ni tan insekuro nyinaa
insekuro
tɛkyerɛma
no bi osekuni bi kwatadwuma ba ko mi amam wadwuma mawu
asɛm ato mo
mam wadwuma mawu osekuni ba ko tadwuma mam wadwuma nyina mawu
yes okay
mawu yama Bible ne kasa
muyi insekuro nyina tungu mompɛ asɛm no nufusuo kronkron
asɛm no nam kasa listen watch choose before you act hwehwɛmu yie hwehwɛ asɛm no after bɛka wokɔka wayɛ dɛn wakanya sɛ wotiɛ na de dimmirika wode kɔ woti na de dimmirika kɔ ne lɛtɛ hwehwɛm na nte saa paa wadi awu
yes
wɔno yɛ bɛyɛ den nti my dear sister my dear brother Kristo ne a wotia mi mepa kyɛ hwɛ o asɛm no a woteyɛ no wote fio bia no wɔse yɛse ɛnti wate hwehwɛm choose before you act ọbọfọ no kọ nwura mu a na asam na mekan ni nie otie no ahwɛ sɛ yaboa ɛyɛ aboa ɛsɛ okun asma tutuo ayɛ sɛ ɔte kyerɛ na no atutuo bekum kotrɛ ana sɛ ɔbɛto akora do asɛ no kwa bɛtutuo na asɛ no to hwehwɛm sɛ aboa bɛn na mete ne nkan aboa bɛn na mehwehwɛm na mehu aboa ko ɛyɛ deɛ ɛwe ananya deɛ ɛwe before nsa no atutuo pay
yes
Neso na bush one to pe.
Nipa.
Well, bansa pamum one. Kebabu mi ama babu nkasa.
What was what? Was it? Name mo manye se nkwaku a wawo sese. Na manyini
ni yanyini.
Akonkwaje
yanko Luke chapter 6 verse 45.
Luke chapter 6
verse 45.
Verse 45. Adofie ti nyankopon asam. Oso oni papa. Ofini pa wabobom na kumam.
Finipa Luke chapter 6 verse 45.
Yes.
Luke 6:40 kan yankwa
waso ni papa
o Kristo ni papa
o fini pa bobo na kuma mu ene oyi ni pedie o ni papa ne so o fini boni abobo mu na kuma mu ene oyi ni boni adie na efiri die abusu akuma mu
enyema abusu akuma mu
ene wano ka and adet na mo frem rade
na mo frem Kristo say rade
na mo nyo dia mese
na mo nyo so ama ye won say yen hwe kasa yi na die be about tim ya na o statica Inyina hema Bible ne kasa. Yenka Proverbs chapter 30 verse 3. Manya.
Proverbs chapter 13. Verse number 3.
Verse 3.
What's it? Do okrana no.
Do ohwe na ye.
Ohwe kraso.
Osani pakuri ya den. Ohwe kraso. Proverbs 26:28. Do okrana no. Ohwe kraso. Untimi fa ne kra ye bi biada. E se efibie ni no ho. And no be temo be come be ka credit penny anya no. Em say okay kan something dey be akwan da no ho. Tok di no kwadro sesi abenya no.
Oh yes.
O di kra ne bo anya den.
Debi.
Kaba bu no mai.
Proverbs chapter 26 verse 28.
Ose dai.
Ose techna matrofo. O tan obi a otenetene no.
Sa nipa no ompe. Oh woman lies massa sma okay yenyo oh say snob.
Anu aya kakura.
Kaba bu no mai.
Na anu e defa
defa.
O di o say ba no so.
O say ba di pass. Enti mu ye ni ye. Politicians o manu defa. Na di o say ba. Nipa twehia no I want the for be kana me ka cha mo ba bia duro ne dia hey say ni say obi ye say yesu ni say yam pre na oba kwa he yama ba wona kasa Proverbs 12 verse 23 Proverbs chapter 12 verse 23, 22 to 23.
Proverbs chapter 12, verse number 22 to 23. What's it? Already Yanko Preach one day.
On the pong, honey baby, Misrono. Therefore, you would tell me that. Cacao trim. Bible so when you go for boss Robas, I say. Nechuadia, any atrano. Nechuadia, any atrano. You don't want to be a supply atrano.
One kind of cray.
Don't can cry. Touch the most one can cry. Do you go put chipano? Yanko.
Now, one who didn't cry,
No one didn't cry.
Nani so.
Miss, you get just as Yam and on can cry. Why can't I see him on can cry?
Tony Nancy.
I was a CH, you are to know the
Yes, Santon Faso.
Second, you won't hear you.
Oh, Ninia. And the police didn't can cry.
Debbie.
Politician be can cry.
Can cry.
As a woman being can
Can
cry.
cry.
MP being can cry.
Debbie.
And also for me to Bible never mention say you were in Ninia give a queen when Yankai Peter chapter 2 verse 1.
2 Peter
2
chapter 2 verse number 1. Akyerɛkyerɛ fo atrofo.
You are Nana Ninia or the Atrabatown. You are Church for the
Atrofo. Was it a deep for atrofo so many?
Deep for atrofo so in church and Prano and try a day. Who been church or the money church members. What is for poison members?
Papa.
Or poison members no. Church bunny or the church members no. Na church be better than na be share for be say a friend say and never could be about obi abagan ha say Jesus Christo or you fake
We fake or you
fake say Jesus Christo you fake no my e fe no baba the be we ase adu and church bunny false teachings teach them of throw and I work and try no dia chenya me ma no unya nipa di wachi a wa hansa nipa no asenya be di factor for yama Bible ni sankasa Bible nankasa Isaiah chapter 59 verse 13 no kwani atro na nam no kwati we say kim na atro original atro take control amana no kre and Ghana memoir and obi kan kra obi wa twan twa sama da obeka no kra na no afom ono ati because na me ampa na ma kan
e dey na me yi
Isaiah chapter 59 verse 13. Was ya twewrade mrata ni kontompo ya paye nyankopachi ya kasanse so ne fonso kasa
Shaso
because of party
from so
kasa dai in shaso
ene fonso kasa
so tia na onye dai onti ase fonso ni shaso kasa hantan kasa oni so benya fobuo
chese ne nimpa ya me yakopon aye ntro
aw kababu no
Jesus so atro sam awu yakoma mi na
bi she that plan say ye koka asem no plan
yeah
the one plan so Bible say was so atro sam and koka
so kokoyi na di
asan krofo
yete amatemu asan kwa chiri chiri
amase atemu asan kwa chichi
plan ne so akojina chiri chiri
sleeping can cry
Debbie
Deji sleeping can cry
Debbie
kababu no
na no crash yes wodom
and no crash yes wodom
dia trent me ma
na atro cry den
ajina
ne say atro ne say o di him say
oh
atro ne di him say yo
kan kra obebre pa
o kan kra bebre pa atro ne di him say touch them yo touch them akro yo yama babu ne kase yama babu na biom babu ne san kase bi ne kwa wedu Onyankopon kano John chapter 8 verse 44 John chapter 8 verse number 44
John chapter 8 verse number 44 adofo yentie Nyankopon asam wo se modie moja mu firi ni mu ene obransam
obi otantro bia na ja ofiri ni mu boza mu afase no
moja na kono de na mo pesa mo yo
ya na kono de ane pese ya yo
efrisa oyewudi fo 50 ase
onsam yewudi fo 50 ase
onyina no kura so efrisa ne kwani ni mu
nukrani bonsam
so ka tro sama
na bonsam de bia nukrani ya atro sam
if you no ani mu no waka efrisa oya atrofo ani atro
nyina den eja edi se wo practice saje we pe woni nyame wo grudge wo de wa wo tie be kakatrim onu kwa wan oni cement o se be cement
yes
oni cement o se be cement and the gentleman stealing
papa
and abakobeshe no budu kotu why azam papa
professional robber no
azapa papa obey you says ya.
Oh yes.
Obey you says ya. Yema babu ne kasa plenty. Yema babu ne kasa. Yema kwa sembi. I was Psalm 31 verses. Psalm 31 verses. Psalm 40 verse 4. Serious. Yanko.
Psalm 31 verse number 6. Me time wona wodi atro.
Onyago paso atan wona hedan.
Wodi atro.
Atan wona hedan.
Wodi atro.
Atan wona wodi atro. Atan wona wodi atro. Kebabunum.
Me time wona wodi atro.
Atan wona wodi atro.
Eni ahuhudi achi.
Eni ahuhudi achi. To bidi ne wokoba hufu kwai.
Psalm 40 verse number 4.
Verse 4.
Insra no nipa.
Insra no nipa da sadia.
Odina ni to awurade Nyankopon so.
Odina ni to awurade Nyankopon so.
No na nani nkyira hantafo.
Society na ukwa wuremu no. Union na wakwa join no. Bisa question. Anthony Pama se kotwa. Tina wom.
Na o mani ni atrofo achi.
O sa de ti wa mani akodi atrofo achi. Kakatrim. Na kan ya atrofo.
Dabi.
Ukowura ko bim no ada ne trofo.
De krep.
Ukowura djuma bim anu ada ne trofo.
Ampa.
Asem Bob Malikan yo. Osi yan wo bi anse o maye kromfo de ku na akodam no.
Da bi akodam ampa eno kure.
Wona de kron na bi.
Ena de kron na bra wo. Ti wa kakati te ba wo.
Na mo.
Jacob, Psalm 39 verse 1. Engineer now one part. Psalm 39 verse 1 to 2.
Psalm 39 verse number 1.
David can say me.
Me can say.
David say, oh, who say? Text me we bet me da ko say yemu no. And on what can't go on ho so.
Say me hwema kwan ye.
Say ya awrade. Me hwema kwan ye.
Na man fa me text me mama anya bone.
Text me anya dan. Anya bone.
Me de nare ka be so ma no.
Sanity da me nare ka be so ma no.
If so bone fo wo manim.
Some ti asase so. O man ka sampada.
Meye mum na maye kom.
Meye mum na maye kom.
So obi a obekan sam funti.
Ya.
Wannan kasakura.
Ti onnan kasakura. Ja sam na aba no. O he no be kabi de ha obebre no. Onka bi.
39.
Engineer, sanse me ke sanka presenters di ba ya adwuma. Anka be bo a kire se. Enya nsam nya na ba ya den.
O so kabi.
Nsam nya beto wana. Na ko kabi. Dabi.
Asu ni nyinam se akore ale akopa o. Akore sika ya.
Anya se adiafo bu bebre. O so wonsam ye jabe bu atan.
Ani twemi ye benyanti.
Wonsam so ye jabe bu atan. Wonsam so ani ye jabe bu atan. Colossi chapter 3 verse 9 to 10. Colossi chapter 3 verse 9 to 10. Manya.
Colossi chapter 3 verse number 9 to 10. Wasi muni atron chire.
Bible say ni atron chire.
Na muni atron so chire mo.
Oh, Bible ni. Muni atron chire
mo ho.
Ye ni atron ye dan.
En chire mo ho.
Ye ni atron chire ho. To afna gbe.
Na muyo ni padada.
Ye nyi nipa munyi nipa dada.
Munyi
Subambi a wo mu. Ana kakane wa ye dia dan se wo trofo no. Ene o ji Kristo dia no. Yi sai nipa dada ni firi mu.
Ene ne yo boni ni ngu.
Yi ni e boni ni tugu.
Munso nipa foforo.
Ye ntope nipa foforo nyo.
Awo ya na foforo ko ni bidie mu.
Edi ko ni diem yankan 4 verses. Colossi 4 verses.
Colossi chapter 4 verse 6. Wasi moma mo kase mene nyam.
Osi ene etiafo amutie me. Me papa, me maame. Me nuanom titi me maame no no 1 2 ubebre
enyo
kwajo bebre pa
ha dwen
me na me suma so won kwa enti maame suma kakra nti ana aka so ba
shine
suma kakra nti ana aka sa kwa se me na me suma se kwaji be kwaji malu ma maame ama saubla uti wo so won kwa no ubebre pa me na me ka kire wo obi ti ka kire ne ba se nsu ani anwa na be fa wo kacha wa wo yamba na obeye mu ara o
no ne
kakraba kai
ene wo no aye ba nu adwane ko nwura mu no ye ba kuro mu antuma be freti wadwane ko nwura mu to de bia de obedi anu adene awo na obi awo aboka obi awo 3 aso ne ma akasa empato mo so enti ne madi ye obi awo 12 aboka
akokora
kwa fa kaso mu nyina
esitire
kaso mu nyina tachema wai hwani ye hwe tachema ye obufo ba hwe tachema ye anu obi so nkasa empa mfa no ano ho ono ano ho no ofa tachema nkasa empa nya dai emfa no ho de bi nkuku asam nko a
ono ko na de hia no
edi wo no ekutia wan kasa tachema di djuma bebre onyini a topic ya de batoi si pepe mu a ya tachema de ba ena wadiem tachema asa wadie
sai bebre
tachema sa wadie bebre ena obi ena them so one about one France and Canocranti, and no Canocra, Ebununtra.
Yeah.
If you feel more minutes of a Canocrano. A few more minutes of a Canocrano. And it's one fan of Grand France and tea. He said, this some Naya drop. Yabba and Casa.
Momo Casamrenium.
Or see American Samrenium.
Dan Chingum.
Aye, Yango Posy and injury.
Yeah.
And Chin Quambang, and Chin Yadu Kwan, and two for you, Tumoko.
Yes.
And be a Dokuna, Madokuna, there. And the man Jim Casamua, or Pages about Casamrenium.
And yet dead.
Namaka dead.
Namo said there's a poor Ubiala.
I said the other panel. TNA. Listen. Watch. Choose before you act. No, who said your bed, Uber Pia Wuniano. I was someone the better one. Yes, so 50 a Proverbs 18. Verse 13. Dobua Samas and what Yassi and the Bisubeni. I said the door and I sat a memoir.
Yeah.
I said let our aquarium. Now, I was one the power of someone, sir. What do you call you, Matiasiano? A Jimmy Sumner, new woman. Sumner, new woman. Yanam Chogu Babu, Debbie. I said the power you jump, not 2 minutes to Kirby. Let us know what him or go him and Tessa. Babu, so yes, I had Jimmy Sam the Mount. I had Jimmy Sam the Mount. So something about one you jump, now 50 Pracope, and Peja, some now go to Pepper Swabby. If I let an uncle come so say, Yamika and Tessa, what's why Jimmy? Young boss watch me. Young Chogu Babu, never impressed.
Wabwa.
I was watching me. Now I love the cross was watching me.
Ah, so Wabwa.
Toku one kaboom. Original Boko, quiet warning. Where one in shoot. Wow, and you know, Yama Babu and Sankasa, Yanko Babu Nemo, near a friend say, Baba Sama Okano, a yet Psalm 34, verse 12.
Psalm 34, verse number 12.
Verse 12.
Mumu and Oceanqua.
Why not?
Na ope ninche
na sani pa kunu penyi nche
se obehu papa
sabre utie me odem wanka se pejansa odem se penkwa ni penyi nche oso wan na penkwa wan na penyi nche kwai
kura wo tachere ma e obone ho
kura wo tachere ma obone ho
anyone no in na dansem ho
awade ho
in na dansem ho
aza chwanu wo na dansem ho
ye bone ho akwa
na ye bone ho akwa
ya papa
na ya papa
hwehwasumdwe netino
Ghana for politicians mun wi asumdwe netino hwehwasumdwe netino chesi asumdwe wankasi yen chesi ntokwa yen chesi owuo na obi bia na no ka chesi owuo beba Ghana basai Ghana ne ka Ghana se ne besi na afusi ne ko beba jawo
ene na medwino se ase man no ne dia anase mpo demra we nya position na ne wu
wo fusi ne ko beba jawo
edi
ame ka confess
ene ko na edwuma
bi ka confess wo ba bra wan kokra no a wo ba bra ba twa so ba how so na mani ba wo be kom kra no aka be pese wo be so nya wo nu ya ma ba ne kasala na fe tiefo mna mu bi ya ma ba ne kasala nya ma tiefo so emna mu bi yanko Exodus chapter 23 verse 1
Exodus 23 verse number 1
cause
what inti atisem hunu
the Bible say men tie atisem hunu
ene obone afo ni sa wo so
ni pa bi sabi omon kan kra nya dai enante
so be di nkonto padanse
so be di sa namfo na chi amo akodi nkonto padanse
eni ni padudu ati koye bone
di padudu ati koye bone
enkasa asem bi nkum ni pa akoma
asem bi a efiri wanu baba no anya no krenti ekotwi pa bi akosa yem
hwe no wana ne asem nani
di oni mi kan hwe no wana ne asem nani
yes
tachema asem nam no kan
yes asafo me atifo namrem betifo namrem na ankomo na yede ebusiafo apostle okwadjuma na me ne nkomo yi ene de nkomo efa takrama ho wo hwe de takrama ye kurom ha ene wiase nyina chese enye de bese bia nya bia ye takrama ya defo ya de be ye bia so ye no a nti asem no ye nyina ye tianka ye nhwem ye mi bi mo ansa na wo beka waka bi ebu ho ha chese asem no onya ndimu ehwe no kan so waka bi nti apostle okwadjuma ene na ebusiafo ye free 7 days about Church of Christ abaka yensa akase bebre ebusia wo so wo beka wo bi tre omode na from me na nyina ye nkomo 0302 248787 248787 ba kwa kan ya 0302 257901 na ye nkomo ne hwere nyakobo baka tre hello
hello
Projo March
Jana mi le fu dinu kula. Engineer.
Wa fa engineer ni. Ba je fa
Ejeni moni.
Ejeni mo fanko yo.
Ka se fro fanko beri.
Fanko bari ejeni mo yanko.
Asem no bi eluem. Na me fa ka kran ka ho Facebook chapter 3 verse 10.
Yo.
O se di opese odo enkwa no pe enapa no. Mani ni na no enfri na down. Ni bonini. Serio, so polisi kanu pepe. Nti emanu mayu anu mo dada me ma ju musike die no. O mu yi. Na na de di aboba na eni panyi ni che wasase so no. Because so takere me dada nkrofo ju musike di. Nti so mu sho mu ye na mran ke no mo dada nkrofo ji o mu ni ma di so mu sho mu yi.
Yo, ejina mo e da si. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, morning. Yeah, project is saying.
I don't know.
You project a pigeon, a crow, I can say for you in a person.
I'm a very young, because I feel me.
You, a young co.
So far, Granano, Codino, Emma. I pass one kind of friend. We are not so okay. Only you. Then I say, why?
You, young, is it that see? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Martino. But your first access for you, put your neck come away.
But the friend the mayor.
Like as for you. Newtown, and your young way.
But so, study a normal canoe. Yanui, and then sometimes you go a hammy.
What do you have home? You, more than sister.
But I say,
Mr. Modiana Nation here.
But you, that coming a number and my fro.
If you are a born number, no friend, why? But I can't manage from you, and that's it. You hello. Hello. Hello.
Good morning.
Fine morning. The project is saying,
I'm in the chair and I'm
you may have to be here, but you're a free in the person.
I feel me with you because I feel quite Jamasi.
Could you call Jamasi young Cocojo?
Someone of a panacano. A shimming crying by over politicians and no one pick up one. I said, no, can when you say, and you're not correct. And so not all come within your soul because of power. Now, because of BP, cry and the money. Think politicians, 80 near a moment in peace, when they say peace. An upper program on yes, they say newspaper review. Before so be cast some now the topic in the better one. When was that seminar or can a yenokre? Or it's all be free will be no free way no can be mutiabu. But will be the was a seminar or can and yenokre. And so no person can. What the good in your hoof. And now we are you say, and in Yamishra.
You
don't share peaceful. I want to cram and move in your chair, and I must stay in the super.
You could you go Jama Senior Mission? Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Over Marchio. And but your first, I know Casafrin. Ademunkum. Mensa, Ocasafrin, Papa.
United States of James.
Young Quay.
Now, I didn't know or so. Now, okay, all right, yeah, simply to know a cataclysm. I got 12 and a papa in now. Nanka, obey a war.
Was it one for them fun?
Party food.
Obiam for Nunqua. Nanko dim.
Nanko 2 so we change send who's out back. I got a man. I got Madras.
And Chobe.
I got baby. You made them papa way. Medanas. You want us, no papa. Okay, all right. You.
nyaso de wasata ye braza ose won fa papa no fa no ko rally na chi e bia kana sama on kasaman na on kasa hello
good morning.
Hi morning pa chede sen kasa o kasa fihini
Hello malam
Auntie Grace so no yo malam
PSC nyamisha bebre nyaminya okesi Uno so for no
yo
asem de wakapa ma yehwe ye hu yi ba we te mai mu nyamema onyin cha ho de gum ehira gum na di mi na pasu awrade o yesu di mu
amino
de da wa kuma so nye mo ni engineer nyina nyina ya da ti bebre nyamisha mu nyina
yo
Auntie Grace amen
Auntie Grace area yen for the keto kwa na enso hello yo pa chede first kasa fihini ya pejo ne Kwesi Solomon and my bo yo Kwesi Manunkwe obian ho wom amen yo that's it Kwesi anama bo you fancy papa waka sata enya ofrefin mabo waka semanyu ajedudu na mbisa mashide buso so for say propaganda crash anything propaganda ase pa anything ensheda anti ase papa propaganda ayendro so for
engineer
propaganda pa ne twi
engineer propaganda ya trend no krese propaganda atra ene no kre den
na kise ne kan se atro
nge atro
ene ye bie hu office
obetimi akasa no wa na be kasa no kre
ye bie hu office no bi tu ne hie ne
tu wa be kasa no kre atro ene no kre se
obi ye propaganda secretary
etu bo se etu odim so benye wa fobu odim so benye wa fobu
ni
ya che di onya ni
wo so di no na brante no si enka be ya ayi MPP4 NDC4 ekwedonkofo ye kwa ye mfonko
engineer
na kakasama ogu
medana se
na unsu na mkan se ne kan na wokan
engineer meda papa na se ne mum ne adwuma we mintimi nya
o mbeti o minti
ye ndia mintimi nya ne se onwa akọ nyino obi akwasore
sa
aya so odene
de ye kan na so mote
aya so odene obi wa ne so foka na fa no anya dai on fa nya fa edino engineer se wo be di na chi odi wa oguru ko betimi aka ka wie na otene ncha bega just I'm sorry wa ka wie ekọ yama babu ne kasana ya fe
ko no ko mo nkasa
ba kasana ya minita kra menya se nyango pa kra betam ka menya sa de kra ya ko Leviticus chapter 19 verse 11 if yam na wie
Leviticus 19:11
asida
mo kro no
asi ya makro no
mo ni kusum
ye ni kusum
obi encha ne nyonko
nkontombo
mo nka mi nyankopon bi di ho ntam atro bi
ene bi bu ka nyankopon di mu ntam atro obesa babu na so esa so be ka ya draw
anu na ehunu
na engineer o ma je aye bi ma je se e matamu
ana no bi from fiabotwe o China o si the Ghana si kwano em se jama se ya yama bible no kra na ase book bi ntenka ba ya sa so nkwa nka e fa nto na asefo no so bi kene pedi boni e
nyankopon di mpa no okanta
no o twanto
okantam aye serious o
nka kan be ko yi o
ehu
utwanto na nka kum una okro
ni nyina baba temu obu okro nyana temu na asase so kase cross wako ko face kase no wow yama Bible nkas yanka Psalm 50 verse 17 yam
Psalm 50 verse 17 ukro ya wuche ne meka
ene ye onkrofo bu mu che ne meka
to me sem gu achi
nyame asem ne ba mu ncha mu tu gu achi
uhuru awifu a opena sam
ono ampa won nokofo ne omenante
woni awale sefo na ebo
ene awale sefo na bi mu ne omobo
wuja wa no mai ko bone
ene obi ja na no ma na no ko bone nkwa na no esogo
wo tachire ma to na na asam
ene pa no tachire man etoa den na ada asam
what na se kan nua ho asam
ene obi timi ni nua so asam na wo ka fa ni nua enye no kura nyini a
wona ba mpo so pa no
ene obi ni napa ni maame papa
no so pa
no so pa no ni maame
wa ye ni nyina
yakopon se wo yes anya ma we mu nyina
na ma ye kom nti
na wa ye kom nyini antu sa ko sa o ka se aken ko fa nto amebo da bia moan yakopon se mu de mu keka sam we o mu nye do mu pe bia obi anye do pe wa ye kom nti
wo se beti se wana
yakopon ti sa o
me kam wanim
wo se one day obe ka wanim
na me de tata wanim
wo de be tata wo be ko so hwe nyama ne bi ma wo ntia se da
mo mu refu nyankopon mu ndri ye
mu
me ba beti to mo siasini
jo ba beti to dan ese akofu wo ana touch my cock fabro out of what the catch you on blind cousin of pompe says a friend said that yen and move for baby monsieur be young cousin of pompe said it can't be chas in the money no be fican mukotona can money matano you popo nipano on cross oh nipana one you know nipano now no way would never do a day or yaki can unu do yaki kan yini atechema eye boni kasia kra kasia para woni pedua mu a edini pa koso ene amaniam enti media message here for say politicians kasa listen watch choose before you vote
no
me say listen watch choose before you vote yes what be kaya na dire chi jonjo politician be catch am say yankwa say me mama de we akwa monko jira no monko fa boss monko fa we na listen watch before you go
kese tie
na chicham
na hwehwem ansana
choose sababu wow before you act
yo
already shagana
amen
o she tie for
amen
no she peace fam
amen
no ma tie for nyina nyame asam na ba ye nche no enso aba woni padua no na fa won konkoma wodere so nkoma tre ni padua na guide yen e we teche na fa yankoso ene amandiem e wadi ni asam na chi na asam no nso aba awa yaresa emosra ahoden a ede yedie ani nyamsuro beba yem adom nti amen
amen
asofo pacho ya so yin e wonfa obi frame bi sam
as branches in there e doso na frame na ba bia wo na bi wa ni a kire wo me ya regional headquarters here wo enya awoshi market I wanna ya sorry the school bia wo enya market ya branches in there doso akra na Ghana also branches bi wa do frame ba bia wo no na so person ne kwa sorry a ibitiri no akọ
obins person frewa na
okay me na many 0242 327172 0242 327172 go
and a 0207 211337 0207 211 with me at so 7dsradio.com so internet radio
yo asofo you nyina beda wasi ni busia fo nyina yakopon shiro sofo